Hi, it's Aunty Tala again. Once again, you caught me in my garden. I was just actually watering the plants because I couldn't find my hose. Anyway, the thing I was actually thinking about was like, how can you deal with Samoans? Especially people never really meet Samoans. And I've got a few tips I really believe it. They can really help you. Now the first one is that if you go to a buffet or all-you-can-eat type of place and there's Samoans there, for all of you, don't ever wait behind the Samoan at a buffet table. Because if you stand behind the Samoan, it's going to take you ages to get to the buffet table. And then when you get there, it's going to be all the yucky food like salads and all the vegetables and things that, you know, are growing in my garden. So make sure you stand in front of the Samoan. That way you will guarantee you're going to get all the beautiful food like dead animals like pig, chicken, pork, lamb, cow, burgers, fries, all those beautiful animals.